Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investors. And today I want to talk about a not well-known company. I think I never saw a video or an article about this company. Just lately I found a small article in the stock market paper here in Germany about this company and start to research on it. And today I want to show you my results of my research because I think here we have really a great company. So let's go. And the company I want to talk about is TROW Price Group. They have an impressive logo. I like this logo a lot. And we will see what's behind that and if it's maybe a good investment right now. And I'm very sure not so many people of you know about this company. And so hopefully I can give you some value in this video. And if so, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you really like it, subscribe to the channel and join this group of long-term value investors. So T. Rowe Price Group is a publicly owned investment manager. It launches managed equity and fixed income mutual funds. The firm invests in the public equity and fixed income markets across the globe. Overall, it's an investment company. It's traded right now at $147 and the ticker symbol is TROW. It has a market capitalization of a little bit over $33 billion with a PE ratio of 17 and a forward dividend yield of 2.45%. And as we also first can see here over the last 5 years, this company just went up like all the market. But what's really different to a lot of other companies and stocks out of the financial sector is that they recover after the March crash very fast and now are almost at the highs and the all-time highs. And this makes me wonder what's behind this company, and we will find out in the next few minutes. First, also take a deeper look on the dividend. As I said, the dividend yield is 2.45% right now, with a low payout ratio of 40%. This is just what I like, a payout ratio around 40-50%. That's good, that's nice. And an impressive 5-year growth rate of 12.10% of the dividend, and the dividend growth for 34 straight years. I think that's impressive. And next, we take a deeper look on the financial numbers of TROW. And first of all, take a look on the revenue, and the revenue over the last 10 years just grew very stable. And this is really a picture I like as a long-term value investor. When the graphs just come from low left to high right, that's the picture I like and I want to see. And we see this here with the revenue and also almost the same with the earnings per share. So this company earns money all the time and even more. And also lately, in the depth of the pandemic, they was able to earn very stable money. And when we look at the margins, we also see that they work on a very high 43% operating margin and a net margin of over 30%. This is really great. This is a great company with a great business model, obviously. This is really interesting. And what's even more impressive is that they have no debt. Not just that they don't have debt, they have over $2 billion cash in hand. So even here with the balance sheet and the financial situation overall, this is a very healthy company. And then what I always do when I look first in a company, I also take a look at the leaders, at the leadership, and at least on the CEO. And when you look here for TROW, for the CEO, you find William J. Stromberg. He is in this company since 1987 in different positions. Since 2016, he is a CEO. What I like is really if somebody stick with the company for so long time and work through the company up to the head of the company. This is a very good sign for me. And so I'm also very happy about this. This builds trust in this company to me. And this is what I like because I want to invest in my companies for long-term stability on the head of a company. This shows me everything should be fine with this company even over the long run. And then finally, of course, after we learned that we have a great company here with big margins and with a lot of money earned and a stable leadership, of course, the question becomes, is it time to buy into this great company? And therefore, we have to look at the price and find out if the stock right now is cheap or expensive, and maybe when it's time to buy. And therefore, as always, I tried to find the intrinsic value of TROW, and therefore I put into my intrinsic value calculator the growth rate of 9.5%. This is what we had in the past, and this is also what Yahoo Finance gives us as an estimate for the next years. So we take this for the first 10 years in this calculation, and for the second 10 years I put a very conservative growth rate of 6% with a discount rate or expected return of 12%. This is what I want for my investments, 12% per year. And so I put this in here for this calculation. And then, of course, we also have to put in the earnings per share over the trailing 12 months. And this was $8.43. And then when we calculate this, we come to an intrinsic value of $124.93 to a current price of $147. So it looks like TROW right now, as a lot of other companies, are a little bit overpriced. It's just a little bit too expensive to me, but this company is really, really great, and keep that in mind, and maybe keep it in mind for the next correction in the market or crash. And maybe then we will find a price and an opportunity to buy into this company around the intrinsic value, or even better, below and way below the intrinsic value. I will put TROW on my watch list very high up because I think this is a really, really nice, stable, long-term investment if you can get it for the right price. And so my conclusion is that we have here a high profitable business with no debt, stable growth over the last decade, good and stable dividend payer, but it's just a little bit too expensive right now. And so I have to be patient, but really I like this company. I was very surprised to find a company like that and never heard about this before. Give me your reactions in the comment section if I just failed it before, just missed it before, and if you maybe can give me some more information about it. I would be very glad and happy also about that. And so just let's discuss in the comment section. And because I think this is a very good and very stable long-term investment, I put it high on my watch list and waiting for the right moment to buy in, and hopefully it comes sooner or later. That's the idea of long-term value investment. Just find great businesses and wait for the moment to buy for a reasonable price under the intrinsic value. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and join this group of long-term value investors. And if you really liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and ring the notification bell to never miss another video. And tell all your friends that here is a community rising of long-term value investors with a lot of high quality stock research in these videos with no bullshit or hype. I hope we see us again. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.